Well, happy Friday to you. We're on another road run. Got my buddy Hollywood. There he is. This one, little more sketchy information. Studs broke, tires off, axles down. I don't know. I don't know. But we're in hot pursuit. We're gonna do all we can to find it. I told this guy there's a lot of problems going on here. It's probably gonna be a couple of trips. I can't load for all the bears because I don't know what the bears are. He goes, I understand. Get out there, do what you can. We'd like to go home tonight. I said, I'll do what I can. So we're en route. What say you, Hollywood?
Yeah.
Well, we've got to find them first. Our information is a little sketchy. We're looking. Stay tuned. Well, we just got on scene here. I don't know if it's gonna be, I don't know what's going on, but I know we got a busted stud right there, so we're gonna have to figure that out. But then you come around to in here, and I am quite, whoa! Let's try that. I am quite sure that is not supposed to look like that. That's my speculation. So I got a bad stud, bad rim, and a partridge in a pear of trees, as far as I can figure here. But look at that, Badland Jack. Picked it right up. Good job, Badland. That roll under there easy, Hollywood?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty. So we'll get this popped off. We'll take a good look at it, see what's going on. I'm speculating something doesn't look right. What do you say? Well, I don't think it's supposed to look like that. See if you can get that off, Hollywood. I'll let that out to make it safe for you. You might want to save that piece right there for later. That could be usable for later.
All right, here you go, Mom.
Hey, thank you, buddy. John, careful, that's sharp as shite. Okay. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Good God almighty. Would you take that little tiny crescent wrench and see if you can get that loosened up there? So we can give it back to the little crescent wrench boy. And that's going to P2 on you. That's okay.
You want to hold?
Yep, got it. Oh. All right, give it a little more burritos. Ah, we're going to have to come up with I'm going to put a pry bar in here. Burrito box for you. How's the other way? How about the other way? Other loose. Oh, we got to get the hub off. Yep, keep going. You got it. See, you just need to learn to use leverage. As you get older, you'll figure it out.
Oh, she's only like 2 years older than me.
Good stuff. And then we're going to have to figure out hammers, chisels. I think I should have enough. We're going to move that tab back. Then we can start spinning these nuts off. I'll go get a towel. We're going to set all this stuff up here. It's just a process. We'll get started. Well, what started out as being the hottest fire get here is immediately turns out to fix it Tuesday, because I said, boy, there's some parts here I can send runners, and everything adds up. What do you want to do? Just get it all normal and bring it. Come out here Tuesday and fix it. I said, okay, that's what we'll do. So I'm going to set it on blocks. We're pulling out, and actually there's one more over here. I had the wrong trailer in mind. The description was, well, what do you call it? I thought it was that trailer we were coming after, and I found a bad tire off the bead, and it's going to be a challenge too. And so we're going to work on that one next. What could go wrong, Caleb? Oh, Hollywood, what say you about this danger level? It's only a 30-foot deep hole sitting here. It'll be fun. Well, look at you go, Mr. Balance Bin, right there, doing the 200-pound torque maneuver.
Thank God for leverage.
Thank God for a little leverage. Just about to wrap this one up. We wound up going on with new hub, new studs, new bearings, new, there was a kit for the outer stuff. Everything went on with new. We had that one side tire was just, it was practically shot. The other one didn't match up. This company said just put on new tires. We don't want to mess with it. So we got them ready to go. Got the call on Friday. This was catastrophic. Needed to order a bunch of parts, didn't have it. And then I called my parts supplier. They came yesterday late afternoon, put the hub together at my shop, and then came out here. Time now is, what is it, 2:43 on a Tuesday. Call came in about the same time on a Friday, so had a weekend in there. That was about as good as I could do because, well, there was no parts. We had to order parts in. I know that they came from 3 different states in to get all the parts sourced here. But it was a fun little project. We're glad for the work, and you need any help down here in Southeast Kansas, give us a call.